Hello everybody, I'm Kevin Myron from Toronto Council Fire. I work as the YLP coordinator. I'm a Dakota from Burkhill, Manitoba. The Toronto Council Fire youth team wanted to do something special for winter solstice. So we put a call out for our Toronto Council Fire youth to sing some songs, right? And we got quite the lineup. We got Dakota, Myron, Jaden, we got Albert, we got Malachi, and we got a couple young guys out in Scarborough, a couple of newer singers, right? Very proud of one of them, right? They put on a good show. So without no further ado, I hope you guys really enjoy the videos. Happy winter solstice, and I hope this picks up your spirits throughout this COVID-19 and the lockdown that we're having here in Toronto. So from our hearts to yours, right? Hope you guys enjoy the video.
My name's Albert Therian. I'm 18 years old. Moose Factory, my Cree side. Manitoulin Island, my Ojibwe side. The meaning of the drum and like singing to me is something we can all do that we have in common. Then we can just sit around the drum and have fun. You know, just hang out, have a good time. That's the meaning to me. But this I'm about to sing is a song made by my friend Jaden Moberly. It's a good song. It's for his grandma. When she passed away, he made a bunch of songs for his grandma. And there's a round dance he made at that time. This song, next one I'm about to sing, is I made. Doesn't really have no meaning, it's just a sneak up. But yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Kiana Johnston. I'm 17 from Cape Croker, Ontario. I'm Ojibwe.
Hi everyone, I'm Sage Myron. I'm 16 years old. I'm from Galway, Ontario. I'm Dakota and Ojibwe, and we'll be singing a couple round dance songs for you.
Hello everyone, my name is Kaylin Peltre. I'm from Serpent River First Nation. I've been singing with All Nations Junior since I can remember. I love drumming because you get to sing around with friends, family, and yeah. So I'm going to sing 2 songs for you, and let's do it. the second song. Thank you, everyone. I hope you have a great evening and stay safe.
Bonjour, my name is Malachi Daybuch. I'm 17 years old. Mississauga First Nations up near Sault Ste. Marie. You know, there's a lot of things the drum, carries in itself, which is like just powerful, You can go around powwows, meeting new people all the time, worldwide, meeting different drum groups, singing with different drum groups, learning songs, learning their songs, you know what I mean? The meaning of the drum is just important to me, it's just the drum itself, celebrating life. I'm just gonna sing this song that was composed by Opie Day. He's the lead singer of Midnight Express, being drum group located over in the States. He talks about this song. It's called The Healer. It's a round dance song. There's no words in it. It's just a straight song, straight through. Talks about just how it came to him at like a really difficult time. I just think that's something like everyone could relate to, with COVID and all that. I don't know when COVID is gonna end or how long it's gonna last or nothing like that. But hopefully we can all get to powwows, soon. Everyone's just staying safe, following precautions, washing your hands, wearing masks, not going out too much. But I'm just gonna sing this song, so yeah. hello, yeah, we are, yeah, 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 hello, 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 hello. Dante, Sego, Wache, Ani, Bojo, Jaden Wemigwans here, hailing from Toronto, Ontario, by way of Wakwemekong, Ontario, by way of Grand Prairie, Alberta, Duncan's Reserve. I am an 18-year-old grass dancer and powwow singer. I've been singing for many years throughout different powwows and throughout an organization of Toronto Council Fire located downtown Toronto, where I reside here in Toronto, Ontario. I'm age 18. I am Cree, Ojibwe, and Mohawk. We call that OG Creemo, mixture of different tribes. And yeah, I started dancing around my junior categories. My first powwow I went to was a powwow in Wakwemekong as a junior dancer, and it took me out to out west because I was back and forth from Ontario to Alberta, and coming back to Ontario I moved to teen categories, and as a pandemic we're in next year I will be in my junior adult categories. I'm looking forward to that, dancing and competing with our drum group. I've been dancing for about 8 years now, learning my ways from different elders, other dancers, and watching their ways and their steps, and also singing. I just gotten many tips from a lot of people, and it has brought me to where I am today. Singing has brought me all across North America, throughout the United States, touring around different states and for powwows and round dances. Always being able to travel is that gift that us Indigenous people have, and we're lucky to have our ways. So this is my drum here. It's composed by Kevin Myron out of the Toronto Council Fire. This is a beautiful drum, beautiful painting. He composed this in a hand drum workshop where he gifted us youth these drums. So for an opening, I'm gonna sing an opening song here, a few push-ups. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, way, oh, way, way, oh, hi, way, hi, hey, hi, way, way, oh, hey, way, way, oh, hey, way, hi, hey, hi, hey, oh, hey, oh, hey, oh, way, oh, hey, way, oh, hi, way, hi, hey, hi. That was straight song, round dance type of beat, type of style of singing. The round dance originated in Cree territory and out west in Alberta and Saskatchewan, and over the years it's made its way downwards throughout the States and southern Ontario, where I reside today. And it's a different style, but it's very easy to catch along, and it's very soothing, help you mentally and physically. The songs and the medicines we use. And so the meaning behind that song I chose to sing for an opening was, we usually sing that song in a round dance for one of the opening songs. It's a real good song to just vibe to as you're dancing and hearing it. Composed by one of my Cree brothers out west. I'm not too sure of his name, but sang it out there, and he told me it's like it's an opening song. It's to greet those people for the safe community and safe event that we're in, the round dance or the powwows we're in. Time goes along, we learn and pick up different songs and different teaching styles and different ways of expressing our culture. So this second drum I have here, it's deer hide. This drum was also gifted to me from my uncle, Dave Hokema, residing from Northern Ontario, there in Quebec. He's a great drum maker, they say. He creates the big drum we sing at powwows on, these hand drums. And it has taken me a long way of being gifted these high prestigious gifts, as they can't just come along and just hand you it. It takes earningship to receive these type of gifts through powwow and dance. So it comes with a big honor and responsibility to hold these drums. So I'll sing one last song here. It's my song I composed for our All Nation Juniors drum group. It's a straight song, has some indigenous dialect, saying everyone's welcome, it's a safe environment. Come, Astam. Here we go. Wella, 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 nation I be a kaki on, oh, they made the one way I love, you are the weather, 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 Jimmy Gwetch, for having me this time, and I'm gladly happy to share my songs and my teachings with you. So, Miigwech, Jada Wamigwans.
Ani, Makade Makwan Dishnakas, Toronto Dujnaba, Megaze Adodem, Kwe Endao. Hi everyone, my spirit name is Black Bear. I'm from Toronto. I am Eagle Clan and I am a Native woman. My given name is Danny, and I'm just here to share some songs with you to help uplift your spirit through these hard times during COVID. It's been very difficult for all of us. I hope you're all keeping safe, sanitizing your hands, wearing your mask, social distancing, and trying to avoid going out as much as possible. Today, I feel like I want to sing some uplifting songs for you guys. So yeah, I have a little smudge going here, some of that good medicine. I smudge every day, especially with these hard times, and that's very important that we smudge. And you know what, Native people, we've made it through everything. We can make it through this. The first song, from all my few years of facilitating drumming and learning drumming, a lot of you pick, when you come to hand drumming, women's hand drumming, is Buffalo Medicine Calling. And I feel like it's kind of an uplifting song because of the beat. So this song comes from Sweetwater Women, and it pretty much explains itself. It's Buffalo Medicine Calling, so it's calling that buffalo medicine, that sage, that woman's medicine. Here we go. Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, woo! Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Yeah, 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 woo! Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling. Yeah, yeah, woo! Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Yeah, 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 woo! Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling. Can you feel it? Buffalo medicine calling, Buffalo medicine calling. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. Way-ah, hey-ah, hey-ah, yeah. yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! Hey, ah, hey, ah, hey, ah, yeah. Hey, ah, hey, ah, hey, ah, yeah. Hey, ah, hey, ah, hey, ah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Woo! Miigwech. Oh, I know one that will put a smile on your face. For all the coffee lovers out there, this is the Tim Hortons song. The Tim Hortons song comes from a lovely lady named Michelle Perpall, also sung with Spirit Wind, and I believe, I'm not sure. But this song is just awesome, and it's about gathering and going to Tim Hortons and drinking a double-double, my favorite. So here we go. Hey, ha, ya. Hey, ha, ya. Hey, ha, hey, ha, hey, ha, ya. Hey, ha, hey, ha, hey, ha, ya. Hey, ha, ya. Hey, ha, hey, ha, hey, ha, ya. Meet me at Tim Hortons, make it double double. Way ah hey ha, way ah hey ha ya, way ah ha, way ah ha, way ah hey ha ya, way ah hey ha ya, way ah eh ah eh ah ya, way ah ha, way ah ha, way ah hey ha ya, way ah hey ha ya, way ah hey ha, hey ha ya, way ah ha yo. Meet me at Tim Hortons, make it double double. We'll be drinking coffee all night long. Way ah yo. Miigwech. That's one of my favorite songs to sing when I'm in a bad mood. I hope you enjoyed, and I just hope you keep a good positive mindset, and we're all gonna get through this soon, and we'll all be drumming together. That good energy up. This will all be over soon. Miigwech. Much love.
Dakota Martin, singing a couple songs here from my heart to yours. Hope you enjoy.
Hello everybody, my name is Tayshawn, my spirit name is Ogi Mamakwa, and I'm 15 years old.
My name is Javon. My name is Yeshiva Wangana.
We are from Mississauga First Nation. We are First Nations, and our reserve is Vine River. We started learning about the Big Drum 2 years ago. We were attending Big Drum classes and Big Drum teachings bi-weekly, right up until COVID hit. Then we no longer could. When talk of what classes and teachings would look like in our community, our mom decided to get us our own big drum.
Our family drum. We love our drum. We are proud of our drum. Our drum brings us peace. Our drum brings us peace. We teach us siblings that we drum. We hope our drum can give our brothers what it gives us. We love learning new songs and singing them for the community at any chance we have. We are thankful we can do this whenever we need to with such great guidance. Hope this brings you joy and enjoy your Christmas and New Year's.
Way, way, ah, way.
couple songs here from my heart to yours. Holding you in my arms. Just tell me what I have to do to make you mine.